Yes, we are right here at KwaNongoma, at Baba Zeblon Zulu's homestead. We're with Mr. Mabutho Zulu from Zambia. Don't forget, my name is Sfiso Mfeka from Esikhaleni Podcast in collaboration with Vuyo Media and also King Jayo FM. The main reason why we would like to talk to you, we want to understand. Since you're from Zambia, how does it feel to be here where your ancestors came from?
Well, this is home. This feels like this is where we came from. This has been a long journey. That connection, the people look like us, and after so many years, I think it's good. It just feels wonderful. We are so happy. So happy to be just a rich culture that we really missed. It's for so many years. There's just I can't. You can tell I'm just so overwhelmed.
Yes,
so overwhelming. But it's good to be home after so many years. We are so happy.
For someone who doesn't have a clue or a little bit of history, can you briefly tell us what makes you to say you are a Zulu?
Yes.
You have a little bit, just a little bit of a taste of. Yes.
Well, first, the obvious one.
Yes.
The obvious one.
Yes.
Is the name.
The
name itself is just such a rich name. But how we know is through the Istakazelo. Even our forefathers, when they came to Zambia, I mean, my grandfather was born in 1909. He had nice big holes in his ears, and he always addressed us as Ondawa.
Okay.
But we didn't know then, we didn't know. But now we understand what he meant. But they always told us we came from South Africa.
Mfeka.
So
yes.
We've always known, but we, through education, which they didn't teach much, we kind of lost a bit of that tradition. Yeah, but now I think we've always known. Even the faces, when you look at our faces, and we look at some of uMntwana Zeblon's, if you see my father, and you look at uMntwana Zeblon, they look alike.
They look alike?
Yes, just the facial
Very
features.
interesting.
Yes, I'll show you the photos.
Okay, there's some similarities.
Yes.
With the story and history.
Yes.
Whereby you talk about when the Zulus fought against the British.
Yes.
And then when your forefathers,
yes.
led by Zwangendaba.
Yes.
What happened?
So Zwangendaba left here.
Yes.
During Mfeka. He left here and went as far north. I think he passed through Swaziland and then all the way into Zambia, across the Zambezi River on the 19th of November, 1835. How do we know that? There was an eclipse during that time, so the people recorded that.
Oh, recorded that.
During the day it became dark.
Okay.
And we can tell when an eclipse was there in that area.
In that area in
that
Zambia.
Area. So they crossed Zambezi on the 19th of November, 1835, and went all the way. Now they are settled around Chipata and Malawi.
I heard you talking about the bringing back of the language that you've lost. Do you have any plans of bringing back the language, the Zulu language, the core that brings you back, the attachment to Zulu culture?
Well, there is already a bit of initiatives from the Abanguni, that side. I think they would love to have that their language back. It's there, a few just remnants of it. But I think what they're yearning for the most, when you lose a language, you almost lose the culture as well.
Okay.
Language and identity and culture, they go together.
How did it happen that you almost lost the language? Because the Ndebeles in Zimbabwe are still speaking their Ndebele,
Yes.
their Xhosa, their
Yes.
Zulu. How did it happen, briefly?
Well, briefly, it's a good question.
Yes.
But once uZwangenda went north, those were speaking proper isiZulu or Isinguni. And they settled around Chipata. But in 1898, somewhere around that time, they fought with the British or white settlers. They wanted some minerals, but the Ngonis really didn't want that.
Okay.
So in about 1898, there was a battle there.
Okay.
And after they got defeated, the Abangoni, the white people introduced some policies just to make sure that these people don't rise again. They banned all the traditional war dances that we had. They also promoted other languages. So it means Isinguni eventually died.
Okay.
Slowly, yes, it's died.
Thank you very much.
But the few words, I think there is still a very good movement.
Okay.
I think people are yearning. They would want that language to come back.
To come back.
Yes.
All right. Which means you'll have this intercultural relationship with your brothers here in South Africa, and also making sure that you work with media fraternities in South Africa, so that you can get the rich history of your forefathers, so that you can also add it to the what we call to the learning process of your children. Sasvala, thank you very much. Don't forget to check us on Esikhaleni Podcast, Vuyo Media, and also don't forget to listen to King Joy FM. You go to Chrome, you type kcfmradio.co.za. My name is Sfiso Mfeka. Have a nice day. Thank you.
Siyabonga kakhulu.
Siyabonga.